Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Global stocks held broadly steady as US markets closed for a holiday and Chinese equities fell slightly after the country's central bank unnerved investors by skipping an expected rate cut. The number of wallets holding at least $10 worth of USDC grew by 59% in 2023, according to a report from its issuer, Circle. This growth came despite USDC losing $20 billion of its circulating supply, implying that the coin may have gained users even as its market capitalization depreciated. Toyota Motor plans to produce about 10.3 million vehicles globally in 2024, renewing its record annual production for the second consecutive year. Toyota is preparing to increase production thanks to strong sales of hybrid vehicles.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0700 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.